Have you guys noticed that animals with fur and feathers don't seem to feel cold in the winter? Let's take birds, for example. Not only are feathers waterproof, but they also shield the bird from the cold wind and temperature. Take a look at this. It would probably be very effective to wear the feathers on the outside, or you could wear them on the inside. Look at my poor coat. There's a hole now in the inner lining, and those tiny feathers have started to come out. But if you take care of the hole with a needle and thread, then you can still use it on really cold days or for activities that require you to be outside for a long time, like shoveling snow. Okay, let's hear it. What's the first sound in coat? Yeah, you're right. There's actually 2 letters that say K, but if you're not sure, just go for the C. Number 2, coat. Yikes. 3 ways of spelling O. Well, we've talked about this one before, and then there were 2. If you're thinking this one, these 2 letters are for when the sound O is at the end of the word, the very last one of the word. But in the word coat, the sound O is in the middle of the word. So let's go for this one. K. O. One more. Good. Back to the yellow ones. One more time. Coat. O. T. Have you ever had a pillow fight that got a little rough and all the feathers came out? Well, I hope you saved them. Woo! Let's highlight the most important part of this word using feathers. Oh yeah. Let's sound it out. K. O. T. And that, my friends, is how you spell O in the middle of a word. O-A. Thanks for watching. Now go have that pillow fight.